Hi, I'm Sarit. I graduated from the study last year after a 5-year-long roller coaster, and I now go to Brebeuf in health sciences. When I first came to the study in grade 7, I honestly don't know what I was expecting. I came from a mixed French elementary school with almost 250 students per grade, and no uniform, and I was suddenly introduced to this community, so small yet so large. I wasn't expecting assemblies every week, overly welcoming peers, incredibly supportive teachers, and an overwhelming number of clubs I just had to sign up for. I was not expecting to develop a love for paninis and salad bars, that's for sure. I wasn't expecting any of that, but I'm so glad I did. I am so grateful for the teachers I've had at the study. Miss Papa Mihalakis made me discover my love of playing music with others. Madame Joujou made me fall in love with math, and Miss Palumbo introduced me to the joys of exploratory labs. I don't seem to get any these days. All of my teachers throughout the years have pushed me to work my hardest and to develop skills that I never knew I had, which I still use in my current classes. It's honestly 100% thanks to them that I haven't gone insane this year. I miss you. I also need to thank my friends from the bottom of my heart. They dragged me out of my shell in grade 7, and even if they can't watch this right now because of an online lab, one of the joys of being homeschooled, they honestly need to know that they're the reason I'm here. Sure, trying to figure out a math problem on the phone at 11 p.m. the night before a test might not sound healthy, and it's not, but I would do it again. So treasure your friends. They will keep you sane. If I have any advice for you, whether you're in grade 7 or 10 or whatever, it's to take care of yourself. Definitely don't panic over a bad grade, because that's basically like obsessing over a single rock on a vast beach. What's the point? Besides, every bad grade I've received this year has only succeeded in doubling my determination. So don't let a number bring you down. And if you think you have a case of senioritis, push through it. It may not go away, but there's no need to dwell on it. So anyway, thank you so much for this award. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so have a good day.